Welcome to beepahpai. Today we are at Samraya in Thailand.
Half a mile, turn left onto Asian Highway to Frontage Road.
And we're gonna go to everybody Bung Bua. We're gonna check out the Bung Bua. It's a lotus pond and it's good to go hiking and boat riding through the nature. So let's go check it out.
Yay!
Bung Bua Nature Education Center.
In 1 mile, turn left.
Look, the dogs are chasing the scooter.
Oh, we have a gangster here. Oh, this is it. Tham Khao Chup Kan, Kissing Mountain Cave. And we are here. The boat ride start at the beepahpai camping at Samraya. It's right there. And you have to go book the ticket. You have to buy a ticket over there and buy the admission over there. It's really easy. You can buy everything, snack, water, before you go on a boat ride. ไปดิอะไรอยากเอาน้ำอะไรอะลูกน้ำอะไรไอ้นี่คืออะไรลูก Alright, and it's time for us to departure. Alright, let's go see the boat ride for 1 hour. Everybody look back. Wow. So good. What a good day to take a boat ride. It's really like going to the nature. I recommend it. Do not miss it. This is a check-in point. You have to take a picture, sightseeing. Alright, let's take a picture time. So this island is called Khao Meo. It's like Cat Island on the water. That's so cool.
Oh.
That's a kissing cave. Do you think it looks like people kissing?
Yeah. They're like,
Oh, the tilt the face that
tilt
way.
their
ต้องยืน
head.
หัวเรือแล้วก็ถ่ายจะสวย
See, like that's the nose,
Yeah.
the lip.
But nothing up here, right? Nothing. Is that the bad? Alright, let's take a picture of it. Kissing cave. So after the kissing cave, we're gonna head to the national park, and that one is what he said he called is ancient cliff because it's like an ancient mountain cliff. I don't know. Alright, let's go check out next station. Look at that mountain cliff. It's amazing. Oh, so nature, so relaxing, so calm. What a day. And it's time to go back now. You guys have fun?
เนื้อไก่อะ
Hey, look at baby python. He want us to bring the baby python home and pet them. That's so cute.
Can we pet it?
You can. Awesome. Awesome. Ooh. Johnny, it's look torture. It's gonna bite you. It's gonna attack you.
It was about to bite me.
Ow.
God.
All right, and then what we're gonna check the Broadwalk Trail around the Lotus Pond. You can use the ticket that you buy from the pier, from the boat ride. It's included. So check out the trail, the wooden trail. It's really nice weather today. You can't miss it. Do you get the coconut water?
Yeah.
Really? Where is it?
Daddy.
Your daddy? Sure. Where's the coconut water? How much is that?
30 baht.
30 baht.
Some 10 baht.
Not expensive. It seems like we found the observation tower. Oops. How high is that? Let's go check the view on the top. I bet it's going to be really amazing because you can see the mountain, the water, the birds. Awesome. And this is the top of the observation tower. Really windy, really nice. Everybody say bye, say hi.
Hi. Bye.
Bye.
Alright, get over there, B. Oh, Henry.
My sister do not stand here.
Yeah, do not stand here, but it's so windy up here.
Danger, do not pedestrians are standing here.
Really nice.
It says right there.
Do you like this wooden bridge? You can feel the wind. Can feel the wind.
Let me pass you guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we finished the trail and we are about to head back and have lunch. Let's see how long the trail how long is the trail? It's about 25 minutes the way there, but it's the dead end and you have to walk back, so I would say almost 50 minutes walking back. And yeah, a whole trail is like 50 minutes walking, but really incredible trail. We saw so many birds, so many fishes, and the wind is a nice breeze for today. I enjoy it. Everybody enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Recommend it. Thumbs up.